Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, fun, and friendly.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today's topic is really fun. We're talking about making plans with friends, how to invite someone, how to accept plans, and how to say no politely.
So basically, how to not sound strange when you talk to your friends.
Exactly. And honestly, many learners get nervous about this.
Don't worry, today we'll make it super simple and very natural.
Let's start with the most basic question. Emma, how do you ask a friend to hang out?
Easy. You can say, "Do you want to hang out?" Or, "Do you want to go out later?"
Nice and simple, but you can also be more specific. Like, do you want to get ice cream? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to go to the mall?
Exactly. And here's a friendly one. "Hey, are you free this evening?"
Yeah, that one feels very natural. Listeners, repeat after me. Are you free this evening?
Good. Now let's make a small situation.
Okay. Emma, pretend you're my friend. Well, you are my friend.
Yes, but also your sister. Multitasking.
All right, here's the example. Hey, Emma, are you free this evening? Do you want to grab a coffee?
And I can answer, "Yeah, sure. What time?"
See? Easy, friendly, natural.
But sometimes you are not free, so you need a polite way to say no.
Yeah, and many learners worry about saying no, but it's normal.
Just try something soft, like, "I can't today, but maybe tomorrow." Or, "I'm busy right now, but let's plan something soon."
Or my favorite, I'd love to, but I have work.
You love everything, Jack.
I'm a positive guy.
Listeners, repeat this. "I'd love to, but I'm busy today."
Good job. Saying I'd love to makes your answer sound friendly, not rude.
Okay, mini quiz time.
Oh no, here we go.
Jack, if I say, "Hey, Jack, want to go get pizza?" and you are busy, what can you say?
I'd say, I can't today, but maybe this weekend.
Exactly. Very natural.
All right, now let's teach how to make plans clearly. Many learners make plans, but they forget the important details: time, place, and activity.
Yes. Sometimes students say, "Let's meet," but they forget where. Then nobody knows what to do.
So here's the formula: activity plus time plus place.
For example, "Let's meet for coffee at 5 p.m. at the new cafe."
Perfect. Let's give the listeners another example. Let's watch a movie tomorrow night at my place.
Or, "Let's go shopping on Saturday at the mall."
Repeat after us. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Good. One more. Let's hang out on Saturday.
Nice. Your pronunciation is getting better already.
Now, another big problem. Choosing the time. Sometimes your friend says, "What time works for you?"
Oh, yes. And many learners answer, "Anytime." But then when you choose a time, they say, "No, not that time."
True, so it's better to give a real answer, like, "After 6 works for me." "Morning is better for me. I'm free after lunch."
Repeat after me. "After 6 works for me." Good. Now let's practice a small conversation. I'll start. "Hey, Jack, do you want to go for a walk this evening?"
Yeah, sure. What time?
Maybe around 7?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet in front of the park gate.
And done. See? Easy, short, clear.
Okay, Jack, here's a fun one. Many learners want to say, "Let's chill," but they ask, "Is chill rude?"
Good question. Chill is very casual. Use it with friends, not with your boss. Let's chill later means let's relax together, hang out.
Yes, it's friendly, not rude, but it's not formal.
So, listeners, if you want a super casual plan, you can say, let's chill this weekend, or hey, want to chill at my place?
And if you want something more polite, say, would you like to hang out this weekend?
That's soft and friendly. Jack, I have a question for you.
Uh-oh, what now?
If someone invites you, but you don't want to go, not because you're busy, but because you just don't want to, how do you say no kindly?
Ooh, good question. I'd say, thanks for inviting me, but I'll pass this time. Or, I appreciate it, but I'm going to stay home today.
Very polite. Listeners, repeat. I'll pass this time. Good.
Here's another important phrase. Let me check my schedule.
Yes, this phrase is like magic. If you need time to think, say it. Hey, Emma, want to go to the beach on Friday?
Let me check my schedule. This gives me time to decide.
It sounds polite and natural.
But Jack, what if your schedule is empty and you just want to sound important?
Then definitely say it.
Okay, let's talk about making group plans, like planning with more than one friend.
That can be chaos sometimes. Everyone says different things.
True, but there is a simple trick. Ask one question at a time. What day works for everyone? Then choose a day. Then ask, where should we go?
Yes, step by step. Don't ask everything in one message like what day, what time, where, who, why, how.
Listeners, repeat this. What day works for everyone?
Great.
Now, Jack, let's teach some friendly agreement phrases, like when your friend says something and you agree.
Sure, you can say, sounds good. Great idea. Perfect. I'm in.
I'm in means I want to join.
Repeat, I'm in.
See? It sounds exciting.
But what about when you disagree?
Then use softer phrases like, I'm not sure about that. Maybe something else. Or, how about another idea?
Very polite. Let's do a practice conversation.
Hey, Jack, let's meet at 8 a.m.
I'm not sure about 8 a.m. How about 10 a.m.?
Yeah, 10 a.m. is better.
And done. Easy and natural.
Let's teach one more thing, confirming plans. A lot of learners forget to confirm, and then people get confused.
True. You can confirm by saying, see you at 5, right? Or, so we're meeting at the mall at 3.
Repeat, see you at 5, right?
Good.
Okay, now let's play a tiny role play for the listeners. Imagine two friends making weekend plans.
I'll start. Emma, are you free this Saturday?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Do you want to go hiking?
Hiking. Jack, my legs are allergic to exercise.
Okay. How about a movie?
Yes, much better. What time?
Maybe afternoon?
Perfect. Let's meet at the cinema at 3.
Sounds good.
See? Very natural.
I think our listeners are getting good at this.
Yes, and making plans is important because it helps you connect with people.
Exactly. And it makes your English sound more confident.
Jack, do you think our listeners can do a small practice challenge?
Of course. Here's the challenge. Think of one friend, real or imaginary, and invite them to do something.
Use a simple line like, are you free tomorrow? Or, do you want to...
And then think about their answer. If they say yes, what will you say? If they say no, how will you respond?
Great practice. Jack, what's your plan for tonight?
My plan is to eat pizza and watch a drama.
Alone?
Absolutely. It's my hobby. And then I fall asleep after 10 minutes because that's also my hobby.
Okay, let's keep going. Now, let's talk about changing plans because sometimes things happen.
Yes, maybe your friend is late. Maybe you need more time. Maybe you suddenly remember you have homework.
Or maybe you forgot you promised mom to wash the dishes.
That sounds like something you forget. Guilty. So, how do you change plans politely? You can say, "Can we move the time?" Or, "Can we meet a little later?"
Very friendly. Or try, something came up. Can we reschedule?
Something came up means you can't explain everything, but you're busy.
Yes, it's a very popular phrase. Listeners, repeat, something came up.
Great. Now let's do an example.
Hey, Jack, I'll be 10 minutes late.
No problem. I'll wait.
See? Simple, polite, natural.
And if you are late, you can say, "I'm sorry, I'm running a bit late."
Running late means you are not on time.
But sometimes plans change completely.
Yes, maybe it starts raining, maybe the place is closed.
In that case, you can say, "Let's change the plan." Or, "How about something else?"
For example, it's raining. How about a cafe instead?
Very useful.
Jack, I have a question for you.
Oh, no. What is it?
What if you want to invite a friend, but you want to sound more excited?
Easy. Use phrases like, "Let's do something fun," or "Let's go somewhere cool."
Yes, add energy to your voice. It makes the invitation feel friendly.
Now let's teach some yes phrases that sound natural with friends.
My favorites are sure. Yeah, why not? Sounds fun. I'd love to.
And some casual ones. Cool. Awesome. Let's do it.
Repeat after us. Yeah, why not? Good. But what if you want to agree, but you want to make a small change?
Then say, "Sure, but," "Sure, but can we go a little later?"
Or, sure, but can we meet somewhere closer? Great. Okay, Jack, let's do another role play. This time you try to make plans with me, but I'm being difficult.
Oh, so just normal life.
Hey.
All right, here we go. Emma, do you want to go to the beach tomorrow?
Tomorrow? I'm not sure.
Okay, how about Sunday?
Sunday? Maybe. What time?
Around 4?
Can we make it 5?
Sure, 5 works.
See? Even if someone is not sure, you can still make plans with simple questions.
Exactly. Now let's talk about confirming again because it's very important.
Yes, before you leave your home, it's good to message your friend, still meeting at 5? Or, are we still on?
Are we still on means are we still meeting?
Repeat, are we still on?
Great job.
Okay, Jack, now let's teach the difference between let's and how about.
Good idea. Let's is strong. It means you're giving a suggestion. Let's go to the park.
How about is softer. It means you're offering an idea. How about going to the park?
Both are good, but how about feels more polite.
Yes. Listeners, repeat. How about meeting at 6?
Good.
Now, Jack, let's teach some mistakes learners make.
Oh, yes. Mistake number 1. Saying, "Let's we go." No, no, no. Just, "Let's go."
Yes, let's already includes us, so you don't need we.
Mistake number 2. Saying, "I am free in 5 p.m." It should be, "I am free at 5 p.m."
Exactly. At for time.
Mistake number 3. Saying, "I don't like go." It should be, "I don't want to go."
Or I don't feel like going.
Nice one. Very natural.
Okay, Jack, let's do a fun speed round. You ask a question and I answer fast. Ready?
Ready. Emma, are you free tonight?
No, I'm busy.
How about tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow works.
Movie or dinner?
Dinner,
6 or 7?
7.
Where?
The Italian place.
Perfect.
See? Making plans can be quick and easy.
Now let's involve the listeners. Friends, repeat after us. Are you free tonight? Good. How about tomorrow? Nice. Let's meet at 6. Great.
I think they sound more natural than you now.
Impossible. I'm the king of natural English.
The king of pizza, maybe.
Fair.
Okay, let's teach one last topic, inviting someone to your home.
Yes. Many learners feel shy about this.
You can say, do you want to come over? Or do you want to come to my place?
Come over is casual and friendly.
And if you want to sound more formal, say, would you like to come to my house?
Good. And if you want to bring snacks, say, I'll bring something.
Or let's order food.
Classic.
Okay, Jack, now let's do a natural example.
Emma, do you want to come over tonight?
Sure. Should I bring anything?
No, just bring yourself.
Very natural.
I think our listeners are getting really good at this.
Yes, and making plans helps you make friends, build connections, and speak English more confidently.
Absolutely. And now, let's wrap up.
Friends, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.